But nigga, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. So guess what? Me ain't in the bag of chatting and going back and forth. We don't talk. Me don't tell you I need my money. You say nah, give me back my money. Me hear you tell a friend nah, give me. You style me. You take it's a 30 thing. Your father will go pick up. Blood clot. One thing me know is a deadly liar. I mean, start figure that out long time. That's how my mind he change from you. You're a deadly liar. Your father me go pick up a dirty thing and I'm gonna be able for the owner. You just take a thing and look, you never take the whole thing. You don't know my fucker. You know that alone, you have to tell him say you suck me too. So you talk about the fuck like some styling thing, you suck me too.
Man, see, me a bigger man for you, man. Me not have to talk nothing when me do in a bedroom, Jody, man. Is it? Fucking a come and a start. If we a fuck, we a fuck. We not talk about in a bedroom, Jody, you see? So you have a low bull, you have a low blow right there, so. You understand? You have a big low. With the father from over and half a fix up. So you hear me asking the Jody? You said me sick, you just want to know, say everything there.
Nick, me no want you no more. You can never fuck me again.
No, man, you know, me not, if I'm there, me not do nothing, not rush after you right now, man. Because we don't deal a little vibes and things, we not deal, so me not touch after you, I think nobody fix a race, go back and tell him, say, oh, me a girl, chip on me, I already know. That's why I don't say nothing there.
And when him the day, I got my Nick?
What? Where are we kidding me?
Nick, so you have to carry excitement and them things there.
Where are we kidding me? I want to tell Jody, I feel like you've been just started. I'm telling you, go on create excitement in the kind of donate it. Not donate Jody, so go on create excitement, it just start. That's me I try to tell you.
You like drama? You like drama? That's what you are about?
Alright. And when we done deal the man, everything sort out and really me still a problem.
Me is still in a problem. So you gonna make people say, yeah, start me for my pussy. You gonna make them say that?
Jody, anything they want to say, I don't know busy with people want to say. They want to start if you're pushing me, run back to your pussy, hide back to your body, kill them, more people, respond more people.
Nick, boy, you're a big top man. Why you want people to say that?
I want to pay Jody, I want to be top man, I want people to say that. I want to pay Jody, but I'm doing my boy. I don't feel like a normal thing. I see me observing and meditating in my mind. Jody, you hear me?
Nick, this is me's not no top freak. Me not give no freak, you know. Oh, so one to the rest of girl, me freak you out. Go start them. Leave my little pussy, a rubber pussy now.
Jody, I see him. What me I try to tell him? I can't even night time. I heard no rubber there. But I found me nothing. I mean, bad dog, but it's in there, you know.
Okay, so you and the bad dog, them a friend, pussy hole. You and the bad dog, them a friend. And you lie and say you and them are a friend every time. And me always a playing a trick. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see me tell you, say me can't trust you, you're a fucking snake. You's a snake.
Jody, me have a word about me and you. Got me a word about me and you.
Me and you have a war. I'm a girl. I'm not trying to break my nail. Yeah, Robert, I go war.
You know, my nigga, because I'm going to get shit popping, my nigga. I'm sure Jody can't know I'm near even 5 on me. The mother, we can't do a party here for Jody to step past me. Say, I'm going to shut up right now, I'm a bitch. I'm a girl.
Jody have a baby for you, Nick?
No, I'm kidding, man.
Nick, how much time you say you have a breed me? I'm going to say you can never breed me.
Jody just come to the party, pull up party, come to the party, very style, young, drive, mad.
Nick, all if me left Robert, me still no want you back.
Jody, when I'm making a solid, you know what, but I'm going to never do something, man. I don't do something, man. He's like a joke, man. I'm doing nothing, man. Can't do it back already. They don't know where you just say.
You ain't not a bag of chatting. My head hurt me. See, nigga. You a bitch, nigga. You a bitch, nigga. That's what I said. You a bitch, nigga. I don't rate you anymore. Me didn't rate you. That's why I couldn't fuck out my old. Now me not rate you anymore. So I don't want to fuck with you.
Yeah, you that Jody. You feel like you can't mad. You feel like you can't them monks, man. They must be sick in here, Jody, man. People keep us upset.
So you don't really want me back, Nick? Really?